So how do you send photos from the iPhone to a pen drive? Let me explain it, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So the first step is to connect it, right? It doesn't matter if you have like a SD card with a adapter or external SSD storage or literal USB. You need to connect it to the iPhone through the USB port, right? Since the iPhone 15, obviously we have the USB-C connector, so it should be fine for most iPhones. So it kind of depends on which one you have, but just figure out that the connection, like this is the USB-C connector, which connects the SD card, right? So it would be my equivalent of the pen drive. It works exactly the same no matter if you use SD card or anything else. The point is that you need to connect the whole thing to the iPhone right there. So you just plug it in from the bottom, and you want to make sure that it gets recognized and that it works properly as such, right? And the next step is to make sure that, as I said, it is actually recognized by the phone. So you can do this by going to the Files app. Make sure you come back to the main section, go all the way back to the browse, and part of the locations you should see things like on my iPhone, the local storage, perhaps Google Drive, iCloud, and one of them should be the external storage. So you can see the 3 there is essentially my external storage, and all of the stuff which I have stored on the USB is actually in here. And now if we want to move photos into that storage, we just go to the Photos app, and you can see that we can click on the select, then select the images we want. You know, it might be 1, 2, whatever, and we now click on share. Then from these options we click on save to files, and the important part is that we choose the proper location. So you come back, you can see right now I'm inside of the on my iPhone local storage, but I come back even more, and from the locations I pick the 3, which is the external storage I have connected. I can save it in here, and the 3 or 2 photos, however many I selected, will be moved over into the external storage, into the pen drive, and that's how it works. So as you can tell, as long as I have it connected, even at the bottom, I have the regular library collections, and I also have the import. So that's something that I wanted to explain as well, because if you click on import, it also connects to the external storage, and it also gives you the ability to bring the footage to the iPhone. So if you want to do it the other way around, where you want to get photos from a pen drive to the iPhone, you would connect it the same way, and in the gallery you can click on import and import the things to the iPhone. But if you want to get photos from the iPhone to the pen drive, you would do what I've shown you at the beginning, where you select the images, share, and save it there. So I hope that I was able to explain it fully. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'm going to wrap it up right now, and I'll see you later in the next videos too.